that way, so you can go straight back. Will it? Yeah. Righto, so we're getting Sam's body and we're going to take it back home. Alia was really keen to come down and help out, but she was unavailable. We wanted to get it done right now, so we'll be home when we get it back home. So get some ideas in place, hopefully they'll all work. Good job, Jack. Righto, Alia, who's home?
Sam.
Sam is home. So Jack and I went and picked Sam up in his Hilux, and we're going to put Sam into the new extension of the shed. So you guys haven't seen this. It's been a long process, a lot going on in the background with the shed extension, hasn't it, Ali?
Yep.
You've been a help, everyone's helped me out, so it's really cool. We're going to give you a shed tour, and then we're going to back Sam into the shed using Minty.
Hola, this is the construction site.
Righto, so a bit of a shed update. This is the work area we've had. It's been a 7x9 area for a long time, and we've upgraded. So we've added a whole extra bay, and it's been going on in the background for about 6 weeks to finally get to this process. It's been a long time, and that's why there hasn't been a huge amount happening on the cruisers. But anyway, let's spin out and go straight through this section here and check it out. Righto, so here we are. This has been the 40 channel expansion project, 7x6 shed. We've added a hoist. This hoist was in terrible condition when we got it. We basically had to rebuild the whole hoist, and it's come up like a treat. Scissor lift there made life so much easier. Huge shout out to Adrian, thanks for the lift of that. Now we're going to move it out. We're going to move Sam's body in here, and it's all going to start happening, hopefully the process there, make things a lot easier with this hoist. If you heard Dan Simpson's podcast that I was on the other day, Classic Land Cruisers, we dropped a bit of a spoiler that is going to be about 6 months in the building because we're just chasing all the parts up. We don't even get all the parts until late February. But if you look over here in this back corner, there is the spoiler alert. Hang on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rotate.
But it go slowly. You got about this much room. That's not there. You're a mafia boss. He even said about White Fox as well. But yeah. Yeah, I thought your family owned White Fox as well. I genuinely shit you not. I thought you owned both brands.
That's why we're so rich. You know, Fox Racing and White Fox. Righto, so Sam is home. We got Sam home, the boys helped me get him off. Unfortunately, coming home on the trailer, Sam's red light has come off. So the old fire truck light is still intact, but unfortunately the red top's come off and obviously come on, smashed along the road somewhere way out near the farm. So that's really disappointing because I was really keen to sort of hook that up and have a red light flashing on the top of Sam when he was all done. But anyway, so continuing the shed tour, the upgrade, you can see we've got the hoist in, which came in handy, just helping getting Sam off the trailer. We missed a bit of that filming. We're going to keep it pretty clean. We're not going to do too much with it. Try to keep it as much open area to work in as possible. In the background here, we've got some shelving. This is our Chem Tools stock, so that anything we're working on in the car, we can just come over, we can grab whatever we need, engine degreaser, get straight onto it. The only other thing I think we're going to do in here is put a little wheel around workbench. Nice small one so that you can just throw some tools on it, wheel it around as you're working, not make this place too cluttered up. The only other thing we've done is we've plumbed in a tap, brand new tap, right at the front of the shed there, so we can make that front pad a bit of a wash down pad. So use a pressure washer, we'll clean things up, and that'll come in really handy. So anyway, let's just get Sam tucked up out of the way. It's the first time Sam's been rolling for a long time. Righto, so that's it for this episode. Very short, quick little update of what's going on. Getting Sam home, the full shed extension, which is going to make life so much easier, working on cruisers. No more crawling around underneath them. No more laying outside in the cold or in the heat when the other shed's taken up with some builds. It's going to make life a lot easier, servicing not only the cruisers, but the family's cars as well. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to subscribe. Throw some comments down below of what we could use for upgrades. Like I said, I don't want to overfill it too much. And until next time, take care of yourselves.